Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill espresso machine, and the customer didn't give us a drip tray, so we have to kind of do without. So we'll do our best here to not leak. You can see I have a milk pitcher underneath the exhaust valve and then the cup in front of it. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we're getting a great shot of espresso. That's really good crema. Let's see if we can get a shot of the pressure. That's the steam boiler pressure. I'm going to move the camera, and you can see we're right at 9 bars, and we have a great shot. Test the hot water. And zoom out. And test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for preparing with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.